Today, iQOO announced that it will hold a product launch event on November 29th at 4 p.m. to officially unveil the iQOO Neo10 series. The new lineup includes the Neo10 and Neo10 Pro, marketed as the ultimate dual-chip gaming titans. These smartphones are powered by the robust Dimensity 940 processor and iQOO's self-developed gaming chip, Q2. Together, this combination promises unparalleled frame rate stability, delivering a smoother gaming experience. Specifically, the Dimensity 9400 handles core computing tasks, while the Q2 acts as a co-processor dedicated to gaming optimization. With an efficient chip-to-chip communication mechanism, the system ensures timely data exchange to enhance performance. During gameplay, the iQOO Neo10 series dynamically adjusts CPU core allocation, seamlessly switching between high-performance and low-power cores to balance performance and temperature. Even in graphically demanding scenarios like intense team battles, the Neo10 series maintains ultra-high and stable frame rates through precise resource management. iQOO emphasizes that the Neo10 series is a dual-chip gaming powerhouse, offering high performance, low power consumption, and stable output, positioning it as the energy efficiency leader of the year. From the highly demanding Naraka, Bladepoint Mobile, to popular titles like Honor of Kings, Genshin Impact, and Honkai Star Rail, the Neo10 Pro ensures a consistently smooth gaming experience with its endless stable frame rate feature. Additionally, the iQOO Neo10 series supports 120-watt ultra-fast charging and introduces compatibility with the 100-watt PPS programmable power supply protocol, ensuring fast and stable charging. PPS and PD, power delivery protocols, are among the most widely adopted fast charging standards today, making the Neo10 series compatible with a wide range of third-party chargers. The series also supports direct power bypass, allowing users to game while charging without overheating or damaging the battery. With a 6,100 mAh third-generation silicon battery, iQOO adheres to the impossible triangle design philosophy of combining a large battery, fast charging, and a slim profile. Remarkably, the Neo10 series achieves this balance in a body just 7.99 millimeters thick, showcasing exceptional design and performance integration.